Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to take screenshots on your Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now of course we have, for demonstration purposes, we have our Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now also I am using a stylus. Samsung says don't use a stylus, especially one with a point on it. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one since it has a soft tip, but don't do like I do, okay? But anyway, we want to show you how to do a screenshot on the Z Fold 2. So there's two different techniques you can use to do that. The first technique is by pressing the power button here and the volume up and down button. Is press both buttons at the same time. And as you can see, it flashed. We'll do it one more time so you can see it again. So the other way you can do it is like you would do most Samsung devices, through the palm swipe like so. But first you need to make sure it's turned on. So what you would do is go to your settings. And once you go into settings, you need to scroll down to where you will see advanced features. Tap on the advanced features. And then come down to where you see motions and gestures, because the palm swipe is a gesture. And so where you see palm swipe is there. You would turn it on, and we're going to swipe back up to go back home. And this is how the palm swipe does. So you can have it in your hand like so, right to left, or even you can go left to right. And as you can see, the screen flickers and it's taking a screenshot. And so also the Z Fold 2 has two screens, as you know. It has two screens. It has the inside screen and the outside screen. And so you do the outside screen the same way, the two button press, and as you can see, it flash, and or the palm swipe. And so we already turned it on the inside. I believe it should work outside, and there you go. They tell you to go from right to left, and make sure you have you actually have your palm touching this part of your hand, actually touching the screen. So like we said, like that, touch it and swipe. And you can also swipe it backwards. And so that's about it for our video for today. How to do screenshots on your Galaxy Z Fold 2. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.